Hello, let me go over the homework for the Contemporary Black Photographers Learning Unit, and I called the homework reflective homework because that's pretty much what you're going to be doing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have watched the film Through a Lens Darkly. You can just click here, make it full view. If you have any problems, let me know. After you've watched the film and you've reviewed the other information included in this module, including already looked at that. The historical figures list. So there's 8 different thinkers and photographers and important people that were discussed in the video Through a Lens Darkly. So you can either pick one of these people or pick one of the people from the featured artist list. And there's 25 different people to research and look at, with lots of links for you to be able to quickly try and figure out who you want to further research, or take your time and really get to know a lot of these amazing artists and all the different links and websites that I've provided for you. It's a really awesome list of people. So after you've watched the film and then you've done some research on these different historical figures and featured artists, you're going to pick one of them to do a visual response and also to respond to the following prompts with a minimum of 600 words. So you're going to want to explain why you chose the person you're referencing for this discussion post. You're going to want to upload at least 2 examples of either their artwork, or if you picked a historian, and like E.W.D. Du Bois might be someone that someone picks, then you can find photographs that sort of are representative of his work, his life interests, and the things that you learn about. So basically, you're going to also include the name of the artist, the title, the medium, like we've been doing throughout the semester, so all that basic information. Then you're also going to want to introduce us to the artist, so you'll have a short bio, hopefully include some of their accomplishments in their life, tell us about their ideas, what kind of art they made, and why they made it. So I'm going to let you be a little bit open with that, but basically introduce us to the artist or the person that you're researching. And then summarize your thoughts on what you've gained from learning about this person. You can even summarize your thoughts from this learning unit. I want this homework to be a little open, but I also need for there to be boundaries so I can assess you as part of my job. And then I want you to submit a photograph that is a visual representation of your feelings. And that can again be either focused from the film, or it can be focused on what you learned about the person you've researched. And this is very open. It can be a photograph you made, or it can be a photograph you found online. And again, I'd like for you to share whatever information, if you do know who the artist is. I think that's just always really helpful as we're learning from each other. And then I'd like for you to explain why you picked this photograph or why you made this photograph, and share a little bit about what it means to you. I encourage you to reflect upon the ideas that were mentioned in the film and the things that you researched. And then you're also going to respond to 2 of your classmates' posts with a minimum of 100 words. And here I'm going to let you decide what you want to talk about. I've hopefully maybe shared some really cool information with you and a bunch of great artists. So I want you to come up with how you want to respond to your classmates' posts with hopefully a minimum of 100 words. So I think this should be a really interesting homework project. I look forward to reading and reviewing your work and finding out what you learned from both the film that you watched, Through a Lens Darkly, and then any of the other videos or films that I've included that might help you to reference your ideas from what you've gained from this learning unit. Of course, keep me posted with questions. Thank you.